Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the AI Girl channel. My name's Alicia, and I am your AI Girl. And today I'm excited to take you through a platform that will help you spark some creativity in your life, especially when it comes to your content writing and potentially your speech, ways that you can portray certain messages to others, or just ways that you can help expand your creativity just in general. So there's a software that I found that ironically was made by Lupe Fiasco. And yes, I said it, Lupe Fiasco. I think that's how you say his name. And very interesting because I wouldn't expect for him to be in the AI space. No disrespect to him by any means. It's just always so interesting when someone flops industries, and he's creating a software now, which is super freaking cool. I support it. I love it. That's why I want to promote it. So let's get into it. The website that is partnered with Lupe Fiasco and LLMS, not sure who those are, the group is, but looks like it's a part of Google Lab Sessions, so maybe I should know that. But it's called TextFX, and we are going to dive through all the different things that we can do in this. It's super fun. It's super interesting. So let's see what we got. So when you get into it, you'll hit this sidebar that will bring you to the tools. And this is your main page right here. So at the top, you have all these different things that you can do, and we'll break them down. And we're going to start at the beginning, which is simile. So the best use case that I can think of for this is always when I'm describing something to someone, especially in sales, or for example, if I'm having a conversation, more of a serious conversation with someone, and I'm trying to get them to understand my point of view, using a simile is something that I often tend to do. And it always feels good when someone says, that was a really good simile or analogy. So let's dive into it and let's see what similes we can create with AI. So first I'm going to do something that is a fear of most people, which is heights. So I'm going to type in scared of heights. And let's just see what it comes up with. So here we have a box where it generates some ideas of scared of heights, of making similes of that. So I was so afraid of heights that I felt like I would fall off the edge of the world if I looked down. Then you could keep going for more. When I look down from a high place, my stomach turns like a cat in a washing machine. We've all seen what a cat in a washing machine looks like. It's not good. It's not good. He was like a cat on a hot tin roof, his nerves stretched, taut, and his muscles twitching uncontrollably. Yikes. Her fear of heights was like a spider web, spreading its sticky threads throughout her body, making every movement a struggle. So this is one that if you are looking to create a simile, it's not bad. Not bad. You can get people to understand you better, all the things. The next one is explode. So what do we mean here by explode? Break a word into similar sounding phrases. So we're going to pick a word, and I am just going to go with tiger. Tiger. So tighter sounds like tiger. Okay. Tiger. Tiger. I think that's how you just say tiger, though. Tiger, a type of large cat. Tighter, we already went over that. So it really didn't come up with many. So maybe I chose a very hard word. Let's try another one. Let's try pizza. So pizza, passia. Passia. Pizza. 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 Pisha. Pisha, a peaceful greeting in Arabic. Pizza, a pit with a pizza. Fizz pie, to release bubbles from a pie. So yeah, some of these are outrageous, but you get the idea. If you do need something to sound like something, then you could use this tool. All right, so the next one is unexpect. So let's see. Make a scene more unexpected and imaginative. Okay, so I'm going to do, because I love Champagne Poppy, Drake and I in a room. And let's see what it comes up with. Drake and I in a room. He's giant and I'm a tiny person. I actually weirdly never looked up how tall Drake is, so can't really attest, but sounds good. Drake and I in a room that is made of Legos. It's probably very unexpected, but, you know, I like it. Drake and I are both in the same room, but he is a two-dimensional cutout. Now, that's actually realistic because the odds of me being in a room with Drake, more than likely it will be with me and a cutout of him. So I probably started off with an unrealistic thing to make it unrealistic. So let's try to do something a little bit more realistic. Pizza in a bathroom. So that's weird. What are we going to come up with? Pizza that is shaped like a toilet seat and is served on a toilet paper roll. Okay, we're getting creative and weird. Eating pizza in a bathroom that is made out of solid gold. I mean, that doesn't sound too bad, but you guys are getting it. So first, then we're going to get to chain. Chain. Build a chain of semantically related items. So let's think of a word. Let's go with model. What are some other words for model? Model, dress, closet, clothes, hanger, hook, nail, hammer. Interesting that it took that hook and nail route for model. Model, clothes, fashion, runway, catwalk, people, crowd, arena. That's more my vibe. Okay, because here I guess it was going with like a closet and what makes up a closet. So it's stretching a little bit. Model, picture, gallery, art, paint, canvas, wall, painting. So yeah, it's making you think. This is actually pretty cool because it's making you see a word in different versions. I'm actually going to do fan because fan has so many different definitions for it. Like you could be a fan on the wall, a fan of you. So let's see. Fan, cool, drink, straw, paper, tree, bark, forest. Fan, sport, game, play, theater, movie, ticket, cashier. Fan, blow, air, wind, gust, storm, rain, umbrella. So it's interesting because there's different types of fans. So I always like using that word. So now, point of view. Evaluate a topic through different points of view. So I've been working out lately, so let's see what other people might say about working out. Working out is a form of self-care that everyone should prioritize. I agree. Working out is a waste of time unless you're training for a specific event. Yeah, no. Nope. Working out is the only way to get a six-pack that doesn't involve drinking a beer. I would say that you probably won't get a six-pack drinking a beer. Working out is the only way to get in shape and stay in shape. We're getting sensitive. So you guys get it. Let's try to step it up a notch. Let's see what if it says workaholic. What is it going to say for workaholic? Let me make sure I spelled it right. Very important. And let's run. Workaholics are usually more productive than their non-workaholic counterparts. I'd agree. Workaholics are the ones who get things done. Heck yeah, I'm with it. Workaholics need to learn to take a break and enjoy their life. Well, that couldn't be any more real. Workaholics are secretly afraid of failure. We fail all the time, but we will not let ourselves hit rock bottom at all. We won't. So yeah, this is interesting. I like the point of view on. Curate a topic-specific word that starts with a chosen letter. So let's do love. Let's do love, and let's have love start with a T. Teamwork, love it. Temptation, tender, tenderness. Thrill, togetherness. Tolerance, touch. Tranquility. Oh my God, I'm loving this. This is cool. Love that. Now let's go to RAP, acronym. So let's see what we got. Let's do, for an acronym, let's just do my name. Let's see what we got for Alicia. What's my acronym, guys? Always loving, intelligent, creative individuals, always. They use always twice. And I do love that word always, but let's see if we run it again, what happens. So here's the second round. We got always, loves, inspires, creates, and inspires again. So I love how it's making it like a whole sentence too, which we love. That's awesome. So that's always fun. If you ever have acronym issues, we got you here. few. So I'm going to take a quick pause on this one and just show you guys something. If you don't know what it means, for example, it's saying find intersection between two things. It's pretty blunt, it's pretty obvious. But if you also want to think of other ideas of how you can use this, you can look under the hood. And it will bring you up a bunch of different ideas of how people are using let me just step this out a little bit so you can see other ways that people are using this. So airplane grass, and then it shows you how it answers it. It just gives you ideas, book and smoothie. These are obviously just very random because the one that I just chose are random. But if you don't know what it means and you want to be able to like understand or get ideas, it's a good way is hitting look under the hood. But this one, we're going to use love, and then we're going to use, it says octopus automatically, democracy. Let's see what it says. Both love and democracy are based on the principle of consent. Love with two people agreeing to be together, and democracy with citizens agreeing to be governed by the majority. So it's so interesting because they are so different, but yet it's finding a way to fuse them together by using consent. Which some could argue that there may not be some consent when it comes to democracy, but we're just going to keep it going. Both love and democracy requires compromise and sacrifice. Both love and democracy can be seen as ideals that are never fully realized, but are always worth striving for. Love because it is an emotion that is always evolving and changing, and democracy because it's a system of government that is always being tested and improved. So yeah, this is really cool. I like that you can tie this together. That was a good one. That was a good one. Scene. So generate sensory details about a scene. A talking dog. This is the random stuff that comes in my head, guys. A dog's wet nose sniffling around a trash can. The sound of a dog barking at a squirrel. I don't know if this one's a dog's wet nose nuzzling against your hand. Let's try something different. Generate sensory detail. Well, sensory detail. So let's do a scared dog instead. The sound of a dog whimpering. Its tail tucked between its legs. So this is really good if you're writing a book or trying to tell a story of a way you can explain something and add the sensory experience into it. So I'm seeing it. I'm understanding it. Was a little confusing with a talking dog because it's so unrealistic. But with a scared dog, we're understanding what we're supposed to be doing. And the last is unfold, which is a slot a word into other words or phrases. So I'm going to use, I just ate some chicken. Chicken wire. Chicken Little, we all love that. Chicken pox, not good. Chicken fingers. Chicken noodle soup. Oop, I just pinned something. I guess you can pin things, guys, and keep it right here. Didn't know that. Chicken liver. Ugh. Chicken salad. Chicken coop. Chicken fried steak. Chicken scratch. So that's all the tools, guys. You guys kind of get a breakdown of all the ways that you can play with these different tools in here in text FX and really expand your creativity, especially if you're writing something and you are looking for different renditions of how to say something, similes, and just be able to just expand your creativity, like I said. So this one's fun just to play around with and see what it comes up with. But this is a totally free tool. So go check it out, have some fun with it. And if you like what you see today, make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button. But all in all, thank you so much for watching the AI Girls. My name's Alicia, and I am your AI Girl. Until next time.